Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So Dr. Joe Dispenza says that a thought creates an emotion, emotion creates a thought creates an emotion, and then the cycle continues. So basically when we are thinking something, it's going to trigger an emotion within us that is, it might not be something that we desire, but then that emotion creates another thought. And then that thought creates another emotion, and suddenly you're on this hamster wheel and having a hard time getting off of this hamster wheel to into something that you truly want to feel and what you truly want to think. So when we are basically having these thoughts and emotions, and it's perpetual, then we are going to create a situation within ourselves that is going to amp up that anxiety level or that negative vibe level, and suddenly we will have a hard time shutting this off. It will just keep going and will keep aggravating the situation. So this is why we need to become the master of our emotions, or begin to regulate our emotions more effectively. So when we start understand or feeling that emotion within us, and we can start seeing that cycle begin, we need to pay attention and begin to control it. Do damage control long before there's way too much damage that's being done. So pay attention to what's going on within your body, within your mind, within your emotions. Begin to correct it a lot sooner than you normally would. So even if you can let this perpetuate for a long time, maybe try to cut it back or take care of the situation or the emotion a lot sooner. Become more aware of what is happening in your body and mind, and begin to create that change a lot sooner. And of course, this is going to take time because we are creatures of habit, and when something comes up that we are familiar with, then of course we're just going to continue with it because we think that's the way it should be. But if we begin to slowly close that gap between this cycle of emotion and close the gap, the amount of time that we spend there, then that is when we can train our brain to regulate those emotions a lot quicker. And then that will cut down on those feelings of panic or anxiety or grief or sadness, whatever it is that is coming up for you. That is going to cut down because now you are mastering those emotions. You are becoming, you are regulating that. You are taking back your control. So I hope this helps you, and I will see you next time.